You may think it looks pretty quiet in our call center. Seats empty, no one in, no one dialing, no chatter and laughter. A sure sign of the times, as the world fights so hard to overcome the pandemic that has ravaged so many lives in so many cities across our nation and the world. The silence is deafening in the call center, no doubt. But we want you to know that we've never left your side. We're here. We're here from our homes, our home offices, our kitchens, our dining room tables, patios, picnic tables, and decks, on the phones from afar, serenading you with our excited children, barking dogs, and birds chirping in the background, reaching out to you to help keep your lines running. Every single rep at Industrial Repair Service has been here for you. We are fighting the fight with you. You, the brave and steadfast essential workers, working in your plants day and night on behalf of our manufacturing industry and on behalf of the American people, to help keep food and paper products on the shelves in our stores and on our tables, medicines in our hospitals and pharmacies, masks, and so much more for our essential medical heroes, and all of the products that our nation needs to continue to carry on, to believe, to survive. It is our honor to serve you. And yes, we're back in our call center with our drivers on the road to be there when you need us at a moment's notice. To our partners in the manufacturing plants in each and every city, state, and throughout our great nation, thank you for your service. Thank you for your consideration, and thank you for being there when our nation needs you most. And please remember, we're here for you.